Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to Sony Xperia 5 III. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer. I already did that on Sony because it was taking forever, so I can open it right away. Then choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Now select Receive on Sony and Send on Xiaomi. Then click on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of your files and transfer them. It will take a while though, so I will go with only this one photo, choose Send and I've got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can input this key here and after that select Receive or Scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on this scanning icon on Sony. Then choose while using the app or only this time in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Now wait a bit and as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!